At Huntress, we're a contemporary steakhouse. We pride ourselves in getting the best ingredients locally and all over the country. As a chef, ingredients are everything. Having all these excellent items makes the difference. We use great beef from all over the country. It's antibiotic-free, hormone-free, such as Niman Ranch, Santa Clarita, Mishima, and brand beef. We source our vegetables from specialty produce, and we have 2 farms that will be growing produce especially for the restaurant. We go the spectrum. Epic steaks, chilled seafood platters, caviar, but sometimes you just want a great sandwich. So our sandwich has to hold up to the benchmark of everything else on the menu. And sitting at the bar, we have the Burgundy Tri-Tip, and it's a must-have in San Diego. Everyone in San Diego knows this beef. It's so tender and juicy. We're using all these excellent products, locally sourced arugula. We made chimichurri sauce, pepperdew jam, and then the Tri-Tip. Pickled onions, Beamster 5-year-old Gouda, and last but not least, our EuroBake Ciabatta bread, which is clean and non-GMO. It has to hold up to all the other ingredients. I feel that fine dining has changed because the customer has more of a sophisticated palate, so that brings the demand of having quality ingredients and great food all the time. And we don't hold back on our product.